There are three laws in Newton's law. The first law is when a soccer ball is on a field at rest, and it will stay at rest until a force acts upon it. For example, if you kick the ball across the field. An example for the second law is when you push a box, you are putting force onto it. For the third law, it is when you push the ground, you are on a skateboard, so in action pushing there is a reaction from the skateboard which makes it move forward. Kinematics is the law of motion. An example of motion is running. When you are running, you are exerting force which allows you to move.
There are many types of waves, like electromagnetic waves or mechanical waves. I'm going to talk about EM waves though. There are 7 types of EM waves: radio, microwave, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma rays. Radio waves are a type of EM radiation with wavelengths in the EM spectrum longer than infrared light. Microwaves are shorter than that of a normal radio wave, but longer than those of infrared radiation. Infrared is an EM radiation that people encounter most in everyday life. Visible waves are light as a form of EM radiation that is visible to most human eyes. Ultraviolet light has a shorter wavelength than visible light, and X-rays are used in treating cancer, and it's transmitted in waves or particles that have different wavelengths and frequencies.
A collision occurs when two or more objects hit each other. This force imparts an impulse or changes the momentum of each of the colliding objects. There are 2 different types of collision, elastic and inelastic. Elastic collision is a collision in which there is no net loss in kinetic energy, and inelastic collision is when kinetic energy is not conserved due to the action of internal friction.
Gravity is a law stating that two masses attract each other with equal force to a constant. For example, you have the Earth and the Moon. The Moon circles or orbits the Earth because of Earth's gravity. Newton's law states the forces of attraction and repulsion act along a straight line between two electrical charges. You know when you get a balloon, your hair sticks to the balloon? That is attraction of electrical forces. Magnet forces attract or repulse that arise between electrical charges, particles, because of their motion, like a magnet attracting metals around it or pushing a tin can.